Hey guys, it's Messiah. So I'm going to start to please don't mind my messy hair. So yeah, I just woke up, and I went outside to help my dad, my grandpa, my brother build the barn. Yeah, it's hot outside. The sunlight is straight up in my face. I'm going to show you how to make jiggly slime, like a stretchy jiggly slime without glue. So yeah, first you need to have some made slime. See this? Need this. So this is the jiggly slime I just made. So what you need is a bowl. And also, I don't know why it's in that container though. See, I have one of my slimes right here. So I'm going to just take a tiny bit of it, just set it in there. See? So now what you want to do is see you have this lid. Yeah, what you want is like warm, super warm water. Like, you know how if you have like water, it's like not, it's like warm, it's not like clear, it's like foggy. That I'm gonna take this, see this is what I've been using. So you take this, just mix it up, See, then it'll turn stringy. So I know it's working, see, sorry that's loud. Takes a lot of mixing. I just slowly wanted to, oh yeah, and this is like, yeah, this works as an activator. You can use this stuff, borax, contact lens solution, Stay-Flow, or yeah, detergent. So yeah. See, if you don't know how it works, see, when you put water into it, it turns it back into glue, kind of. No, see, it turns it back into, like, it takes out, like, the activator you use. Like, if you use detergent, see, it'll make the detergent bubbly. But you have to have, like, if you add a little bit to it, then it won't do it. So you may want to see, look, see, it also works, see, when it starts sticking to the sides. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the light. When it starts doing that, then you know it's time to work. It starts to stick to the slime. If you want it even more jiggly, set some, no, it has to be water. What am I saying? Yeah, see, it'll turn liquidy. It needs to be liquidy. See, the thing is you cannot add too much water. See, that's what my friend did once when she spent the night. One of hers white slimes. So then she brought it in here. Then she told me to fix it. So then I tried to fix it, but it didn't work. You know why? She added too much water. She added too much water, you guys. So yeah, make sure you do not add too much water. wish I could show you this. Yeah. See, you might be turning liquidy. Oops, it's upside down. Taking a video. My brother, don't. No, I don't know. That's disgusting. You know, boys. Oh my god, no boys now. He's so boys are disgusting. Sorry if you're rude, but it may be just my brother. He's so weird. We like to play card games. We like to play rummy. We like to play euchre. Nope, euchre. I think we have 4 people playing. I think euchre. Yeah, we like to play war. Like to play Uno. What are those other games? Seriously, you want this stick, like thick texture. Like when you add glue plus water. Here. What happens if you add lotion? Yeah, you're supposed to add lotion also. You don't have to add lotion. It's just how I did it. Add a teensy on water. Not a lot of water. Sorry, I'm not trying. What I said earlier, I'm like really not trying to offend boys. I think it's just my brother. I'm not trying to offend any other boy. And my dad, they're both disgusting. Weird. Sorry if you're a boy and like, think I made fun of you. I'm not, because if you have like an older brother, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be adding this. It's Lysol disinfecting spray. Yeah, this is the part that you can go on with your hands. See, it makes it look weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this off my hand. Wipe it off. Let me show you guys. That's what it looks like. Sorry, I just can't like see it. Sorry, I'm not using like everything to see. As you can see, I still have it. As you can tell, I'm not lying. It does to work. It kind of takes a lot. But seriously, that's how I made this jiggly one. Well, at least I think it's jiggly. This one's jiggly, I know that. I would never do this if this was if that was not a Yeah, I think since it's coming off, I use a table. Sorry that my table is dirty. So yeah. See, as you can tell, it's actually jiggly. I'm gonna add some more of the activator. Like it's kind of sticky. Like I don't want my sand to be sticky, but you can't. Jiggly slime is sticky. So I'm pretty sure you can't do anything about it. So yeah, guys. That is it for the video now. So let's mix these two up together. So that you hear the weird noise. Like I'm not like Courageous Colors. Look up Courageous Colors. James Miller. That's my dad. He's not his trainer. I don't know, but it should say his name in there. Check. Literally building a barn out there. So yeah, that is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Oh, they're cutting down trees. Oh yeah, I'll put. I'd like to tell you guys, if you want me to do a slime collection video. So yeah, peace.